This video will show how you can expand and collapse course sections on the main page of your Moodle course. This is the instructor view of the main page of my course, with edit mode toggled off, and the selected course layout is Show All Sections on One Page. Currently, all of my course sections are collapsed. To expand just one section, I can click on the caret to the left of the section name and expand that section. To collapse that section, I'll just click on the caret again. If I'd like to expand all of my sections, I can click on the Expand All text at the top right. With all course sections expanded, I can navigate through using my course index on the left side of the screen, and I can also see where I am in the course as I scroll. To collapse all sections again, I'll click the Collapse All text. Let's take a quick look at the student side. Here's the student view of the main page of the course. Just like in the instructor view, a student can expand one section or all sections. And when a student logs into Moodle, Moodle will remember what section was expanded when they left and return them to the same view. This functionality allows students to customize their experience in Moodle as they prefer.